So you would like to use the Claude AI into your Shopify account. There's two ways how you can actually get started. So let's go straight away into the actual tutorial. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to having the actual deployed of the Claude. So depending on the country currently living, sometimes the application of the Claude works, sometimes it doesn't. The first thing I'm going to be doing here is to have access directly to my Shopify store. I'm going to go into the left section that says applications. Inside here, let's go for clicked. And here just type the word Claude. Now I'm going to look out and search for the Claude into the Shopify App Store. When you click directly inside here, usually it will be having now access directly from the Claude through an actual application. Now since Entropic hasn't added the actual optimization of that element yet, what we need to do is to do this manually. So the second way to do this is to ask the actual Claude itself. I'm going to add a new chat and let's say, how can I connect to my Shopify? Sometimes he will be asking you a few questions about the actual connectors. In this case, I do have a beta mode of the connector available. So what I need to do is to hit into the element that says connect. This will be popping up this new section directly into the same browser that I'm currently using, and I wanted to choose the active Shopify store that I currently have in order for making the actual connection. As you can see, now there's a new application from the Claude connector application through the Shopify. So what I need to do is to hit into the element that says install. I needed to grant the access between the application and my actual Shopify so you can see that the actual both connected. Now, as you can see, it says once connected, I'll be able to help you manage products, view orders, look up customers, and much more. So let's say, help me optimize my products metadata. Now, depending on the store, depending on what you can do directly to the Shopify, is that going to be helping you with. So let's go for always allow. I'm going to head over for my Shopify store. Let's go for my products. And you can see that here we have a few products. I like a lavalier, a collection snowboard, and I can even select products that I don't like to be working on. Let's say, for example, this first 10 of this, and I will be deleting this specific products. Let's go for yes, delete. There we go. Deleting the products, everything now works really fine. Let's get back directly into the elements of the Claude. It says, where would you like to start? Let's say I wanted to write descriptions for product missing them. I wanted to fix some tags in product types. I wanted to improve the complete snowboards, whatever. So what you can do inside this element is to, for example, once you have linked it to your Claude, is to running some live data operations, as you can see that I'm actually looking at. There's no data explorer required. The Claude rigs to store metrics securely through the API, and I don't need to wait there. So basically the management here is when you grant an advanced AI model grid and access to your store, you are handing over control of your live catalog, your public pricing metrics, and your live discount data. So never give up baggy comments like make everything a bit cheaper, because always you want to force Claude to present a before and an after preview with an exact count of affected items before giving to the final confirmation to run a bulk update. Basically, that will be actually it. So as you can see, it tells you, I can see your products. There is some clear metadata wrapped across your catalog. Here's a quick audit of your issues I spotted. Critical issues, other gaps. So we would like to tackle first. So here I want to fix tags and product types, and you can see I want to always allow all of these elements so they can be working on right away. So basically, Claude is going to be asking you for more accessible elements through my actual store. As you can see, it says I'll run all of the updates via the mutations, minimal snowboard missing. I will be allowing. And if I hit back directly into my store, you can see that stuff are now being changing in a very easy way. Even if I reload the page, I might see that the changes is now being directly added and everything directly inside here. So there are more things to come into the Shopify. For example, what you can do, what you can tell the actual element is to be working on into the online store, into my actual theme. You can be, for example, changing elements, adding different images to make this look a little bit more professional, or to even help you to get your first sales, right? So basically, this is how you can actually use the actual Claude directly inside that. So basically, that will be actually it, guys. If you have any question with the usage of Claude directly to Shopify, you can let me know into the comments below, and you can see that this new assistant is actually working really straightforward for me. So if you have any questions once again, you can let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys, well, next time.